I'm from Ghana, and I'm an Ashanti, which is a quite dominant tribe and ethnic group in Ghana. I have a chronic condition. They have the name sickle cell for it, but they did have a cultural name for it, which pertained to the pain that is experienced with it. The medical label was stigmatizing. The cultural label was not. But it wasn't a big deal to my parents because they knew about it. Although they knew it was family inherited and stuff, but they still could not explain why I was constantly tired, why I couldn't be very active as they expected a child to be. I had a happy childhood. Then I got the diagnosis that I have sickle cell, and that changed a lot of things. I think for me, sickle cell disease was kind of my identity. It didn't skip any generation. I was always eager, looking for ways to give back. So I studied nursing at the undergraduate level in Ghana. I struggled to really have that balance of doing something I love while also keeping healthy. For some people, it doesn't affect them, but for others, it can be very severe and very disabling and debilitating. How do you reconcile that from being something that is culturally almost acceptable, that you have this pain, this type of pain is in the family, to then having this medical term that literally felt like a death sentence? For an inheritable condition like sickle cell disease, it's very important that people know their status, whether they are carriers, and the possibility of passing it on to their own children. There's the possibility of developing kidney medullary complications, and that very extreme conditions. It can trigger acute illness for people with it. I have a very positive view about my condition, despite the many challenges that comes with it, and it helped me constructed it as an asset and less of a liability. I've shaped my narrative, and others need to shape theirs too.